The American Medical Association is very proud of our colleagues in the American Medical Association Foundation for their contribution to our joint mission of the betterment of public health and advancing the art and science of medicine throughout this country.
San Jose Clinic opened up to care for people back in 1922, and it's always been about caring for people that didn't have access to medical care.
A huge number of the patients that come here have diabetes. If we could spread the word more and more that if people come in early, we could prevent so many of the side effects of long-standing diabetes.
And the AMAFoundation grant really helped us create a much fuller and richer program that I think has had a significant impact on our patient population.
Power Play NYC is a nonprofit committed to educating and empowering girls through sports. Girls who participate in sports are less likely to use drugs, less likely to get pregnant as a teenager, less likely to smoke, and more likely to finish high school and college. All of our programs include a healthy living curriculum.
Some of the foods had very high sodium.
If you eat chips, how much you're taking in, how much sodium, how much calories you're taking in, or if you eat foods, how much you're taking in. So you can pick from the junk food and can pick from the right food. But I'm kind of in the middle because I love fruit, but I also like my chips.
What I want everybody to know is that their donation, in fact, does transform the lives of these girls in powerful and significant ways.
It's support provided by the AMA that encourages young investigators to continue to pursue research, which ultimately will lead to the improvements and advancements in medicine that we need to provide better care for our patients.
When you get out of medical school with $250,000 in debt, your priorities change.
Receiving a scholarship brings down my loan burden, and it helps me to not just focus, oh, I need to subspecialize in something, but I can focus on something that I'm passionate about.
What keeps me fired up is looking at my children. When they look at me and they say, my mommy's gonna be a doctor, you know, hearing those words, they take my breath away.
Giving is so much better than receiving. And every time I do it, I feel much better.
One of the things I'd like to say to the donors and the potential donors, besides thank you from the bottom of my heart, is please consider asking some of your friends to help us.
No matter how small the gift, it is the message that that gift delivers that is so important for all of us.
I'd really like to thank the donors for their support of medical students and their generosity.
I'd want to say that you all are my heroes.